everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to the app of settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to Google Drive and you will search about it here. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.